Assalamu alaikum. Hey young coders, welcome to our Square 3.0 tutorial. Today we are going to create a fun with changing sprite size in Square 3.0. Let's get started. And in this project in Square, sprites are the characters or objects. Okay, now look at here, these are the sprites. These are objects, characters, okay, and like animals, things, buildings, birds, etc, human being, and other things. Okay, now that perform actions. Changing the size of a sprite can add visual interest and creativity to your project. In this video, we will learn how to increase and decrease the size of a sprite. Okay, in this Scratch 3.0. Increasing sprite we will do first. So you can choose any one sprite from here. Like I want this sprite, yeah, this one. This will appear on your screen by default. You have to delete it by clicking this button. Now add it. Now choose any one backdrop which you like. So you can choose anyone. What do you want? You can scroll, you can check, you can write here like outside. Outside backdrops यहाँ पर आ जाएंगे आपके पास. You can choose. Let's choose this one. Okay, now using the set size blocks, how we can set the blocks here. So first you have to go to here, go to the event block, and choose flag block. Okay, first you have to choose this one and then go with repeat. Go to the control block. You can increase the size of the screen here. This is a script area where you can drag it. Okay, now use this block, put it here. Now go to the change block here and use size block. Where is size block? You have to search from here. Set size. Look at here. You can set the size like 100, like above, like I'm going to set it 150. Okay, it's up to you. So this is the increase size. Drag the set size block from the looks block. Okay, here are the looks block, and set the size like percentage 150, 200, 100. It's up to you. Okay, now using the size, use again a repeat block and go to here and using the set size again, and you have to set the size of this. Like I want to put 10 or 20. Okay, so this is a coding. Like by using these two codes you can increase or decrease the size. When you apply the minus with percentage, it will decrease. Okay, now it will make you can decrease the size of the sprite size. Okay, you can put it here 50%, 100%, 70%, 80%. It's up to you. So when click the set size to 100, it will change. Like when you click here, when you click on the flag, where is sprite? Here is sprite. The size will change. Okay, it will increase or decrease, increase or decrease. Now if you put here, so let's try it again. When you click here, it will come again. Okay, so this is the way to increase or decrease the size of the sprite. You can experiment with different size values and changes to achieve the desired effects. Use the set size to block to set a specific size, and the change size by block to make gradual changes. Combine size changes with other effects such as movement or color changes to create engaging animations also. So it's up to you. Okay, so Allah Hafiz.